be picking up a vase that is not available for online order. And then, after that is tayo ay ipipick up na natin yung in-order natin online yesterday. So, laban. Let's go. Join me, guys. It's gonna be a really long day. And I'm so excited to spend the day with you guys. Item secured. Ito na ang orders natin. So, nandito na yung mga package natin. Ang gagawin na lang natin is ililabel ko yung mga items kung saan siya designate kasi mahirap pag halimbawa kung kailan nandun na sa site, kung kailan palang isusort. So, ngayon pa lang isusort na natin siya. Hello! Tapos na kami ni Kuya George sa IKEA. So, kasama ko ngayon si Kuya George. Nag-drive siya dyan. Tapos, yung aming mga kagamitan is nasa likod na. So, ang pinaka-next stop na natin ito ay sa may cash and carry dahil doon natin ipipick up naman yung mga appliances na pinamili for the Makati project. Hello everyone! We are here right now at the warehouse of our supplier ng ating mga appliances. And we're here to pick up yung ref. Actually, when we got to cash and carry a while ago, ready na pala yung mga appliances. So, niload na din namin siya diretso and ate lunch. And now, we're just here to pick up yung pinaka, one of the appliances that we'll be needing. So, it's over there. I'm gonna be showing it to you guys. Medyo ayoko munang bumaba kasi parang grabe talaga yung init ngayon. But everything's settled naman. So, they're just really getting yung pinaka-appliances that we need. Yes. So, hold on. Ayan, I'm not sure if it's very visible. Pero nandiyan ang ating lahat ng daladalahan. Yung mga binamili namin. So, meron na dyang mga TV, rice cooker, aircon. So, we're just really waiting for that ref. So, nandun na lahat na pinamili natin sa, sa IKEA and also yung mga appliances. So, ayan. So, nakasakay tayo sa truck like always, as usual. So, we're just waiting na makuha yung stock. Then, after that, we're gonna be heading to, to Lush. And then, pagdating natin sa Lush, i-drop na yung mga gamit. And after that, i-delegate na lang namin yung pinakapagbili ng WPC so that we can focus sa pag-set up ng mga items dun sa Lush. And actually, I also want to add na, ngayon, by the time that I'm filming this, malapit na yung Holy Week. So, ang pinaka-Holy Week is just right around the corner. Actually, Holy Week na. It's a Tuesday today. And tomorrow yung last day of work namin for the entire week. So, it means we have to really cram everything today. So, as much as possible, we want to procure the necessary materials pronto, like ngayon na talaga, so that next week, na lang tayo lahat, deliver, install, ganyan, and decorate. Yeah, so, while things are going on right now, meron din tayong pinaka workforce na nagsisecure din ng mga other orders. So, ganito po yung typical day in a life talaga namin. It's really, hustle, and also yung parang, talaga siya, very on the go. Ganyan. Yeah, so para sa mga new followers or new subscribers right now, I also want to share that we have already offered yung pinaka Airbnb design and build. So, yung pinaka sakop niya is what we do everything from the ground up, like from the design to permit processing, application, and all those things, hanggang sa pinaka pag-turnover sa inyo ng unit. Yes, so what sets us apart from other service providers is, since I'm an Airbnb host myself for 4 years already, so alam na po natin, or gamay na din po talaga natin yung pinaka-proseso and also yung pinaka-hinahanap ng mga guests. So lahat ng mga design namin is bespoke, meaning lahat yun ay custom design for you. So wala po tayong nauulit na design, lahat po will be tailored to your preference. So, yun po yung pinaka-difference. And in case that you're also looking for property managers, we also have a partner property management services team, which is Rise Up Property Service Management. So, they do everything then, end-to-end din sila. They do the preparation ng unit, like photography, ganyan. Pag-put up sa Airbnb mismo, and then next is they also do the pag-answer ng mga inquiries, and then assist sa check-in, check-out, and also sa pag-clean, and most importantly, yung pinaka-quarterly or like monthly maintenance. So, ang pinaka-ano talaga nila is maaalagaan yung unit. Meaning, hindi siya yung kung kailan sabog-sabog na talaga, kung kailan naayusan, kasi meron talaga silang regular check-ups. Yes, ayun. So, yun lang naman. So, we're still waiting for the appliance that yung pakay natin dito. Inaantay pa din natin. Yan. Yun lang naman. So, see you guys sa Lush! Lush Residence. So, nandito po tayo sa ating ongoing project over here. And I'm gonna be giving you guys a room update ng aming pinaka-progress dito. So, first things first, I'm not sure if nakita nyo na po itong abstract wall natin over here. So, meron na din po tayo yan. And then, meron din po tayo ditong pinaka-bed. Ayan. So, itong bed is also designed and built by FNF Design and Build. Yes! So, tayo din po yung pinaka-nag-fabricate itong bed. So, nice po yung pinaka-bed. It's also very spacious and it is actually queen-size bed. Itong pinaka-bed po natin is saktong-sakto lang talaga siya dito and hindi siya nag-exceed dito, which is also requested by the unit owner. Yes. So, nandito na, meron din tayong ditong pinaka-cladding wall. And then, ito yung ating pinaka-TV stand na floating. So, na-install na din yung pinaka-takip niya over here. So, very na siya. Very smooth and na talaga siya. Aesthetic na siya. Ayan. So, ang pinaka-gusto ko dito sa part na to is pwedeng dito ilagay yung mga gamit sa TV. For example, yung mga remotes. Pwede siyang dito ilagay. And then, dito naman is, ayan, kung may gusto kayong ilagay dito, for example, mga gadgets, ganyan. So, pwede nyo siya dito i-store para hindi siya balakid or para less clutter. And then, ayan, meron na din tayo ditong pinaka-kitchen backsplash. So, super ganda na niya. And itong pinaka-ating, overhead cabinet is already in baby blue color. And it looks really, really nice. And it looks really unique. Yeah, so yun yung pinaka-ano din talaga natin dito. Pinaka-goal natin dito. We want to make it look as unique as possible. Para once na nasa Airbnb na siya, mas mabilis po siya mag-stand out. Yes. And then, ito yung isa naming pinaka-work in progress dito, which is yung pinaka-cabinet. Ayan. So, dito yung Ito po yung pinaka magiging storage ng mga gamit ng mga guests for short-term or long-term guests. And then over here naman is meron din tayo itong cute space. So mag-install din po kami dyan ng pinaka-mirror para pwede tayo mag-picture-picture over here. Yan. So para pag kasama niyo yung inyong family and friends, pwede kayo mag-picture-picture dito. And then, yeah, dala na din namin yung mga appliances. So, it is gonna be, magagawa na din siya. Kumbaga, malalagay na siya dito and ma-install. And another update din pala dito sa unit is, meron na din tayo dito pinaka-ceiling fan and ceiling light. So, very na siya. It's all coming together! So, kakabalik ko lang dito sa aming place. So, medyo nag-rain check muna tayo sa department ng pagpunta sa Ortigas kasi parang iba talaga yung init ngayon. Kasi yung init dito ngayon sa Makati is para siyang yung pag dumaan ka sa likod ng aircon, except yun talaga yung temperature all throughout. So, talagang Jeanette Jackson talaga to the max. So, super init talaga. So, ayun. So, but, last check, okay naman daw lahat ng mga purchases natin. So, yung mga items na iba is dadalhin na sa pinaka warehouse or storage namin sa Tagaytay. And then, yun. I think this ends our day and this sums up our vlog for today. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for staying with me until the end of this video. And I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye!